Dear student, in this problem, through the midpoint M of the side CD of a parallelogram ABCD, the line BM is drawn intersecting AC at L and AD is produced to E, where BM meet AD at E. Then we have to prove that EL is equal to 2 times of BL, means EL, this distance, is equal to 2 times of this distance. Okay, fine. Now we take triangle BMC, this triangle, I change the color, BMC and EMD in triangle BMC and triangle EMD. Actually, we have to establish a relation of congruency between these two triangles. Okay, here we can see that angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Why? The reason is vertically opposite angle, as you can see from the figure. Also, MD side MD is equal to MC. Why? Because it is a midpoint of CD. Midpoint, because M is a midpoint of a line side CD, and angle 5 is equal to angle 6 also. Why? What is the reason of this angle 5 is equal to angle 6? Because it is an alternating angle. How it is alternating angle? Here AE is parallel to BC and BE is an intersecting line, so that angle 5 will be equal to angle 6. We can write the reason alternate angle. Hence we can say that triangle BMC is congruent to triangle EMD by AAS. By which congruency rule? Angle side. Angle side, we can say that these two triangles are congruency. Therefore, by using the CPCT, we can say that BC, this side BC will be equal to ED, because in the congruency we know that if two triangles are congruent, then their corresponding parts will also be equal to each other. Therefore, BC of first triangle will be equal to the base of this triangle, which is DE, right? Which is equal to DE. This is, we let it 1. Now from figure we can see that BC is equal to AD. Why? Because ABCD is a parallelogram, and in parallelogram opposite sides are parallel as well as equal, right? So we can say that BC is equal to AD also. BC is equal to AD. It is clear from the figure. Now if we want to find the side AE, from here AE is a sum of AD plus DE, means AD plus DE, right? And just we find that AD, from here AD is equal to BC. Therefore, we can replace this AD by BC plus DE, fine, which is equal to AE. I hope you got it. Also, we can replace DE from 1. what the DE says, DE is equal to BC. Therefore now DE will be replaced by BC from equation 1, and here is the BC already, which is equal to AE. Finally we got that AE is 2 times of BC. Dear student, I hope you got it. This point where it is saying this is let it 2. Okay, now in triangle, the finally triangle, because we have to find this ratio EL and BL. EL, where is the EL? This EL and BL means we have to take these 2 triangles where BL and EL will be the sides of these triangles. Then we can say that in triangle BLC, in triangle BLC and triangle ELA, what we get, that angle 3 is equal to angle 4. These angles are vertically opposite angles, and angle 5 is equal to angle 6 because this is alternating angles, because AE is parallel to BC. Then by AA similarity we can say that these 2 triangles are similar to each other by CPST, because congruency similarity लगा रहते हैं, तो corresponding parts of similar triangle rules use करके हम बता सकते हैं AE by B, AE this side AE, where is the AE? This AE by BC, this AE from this triangle will be the ratio of side of this triangle is equal to EL. AE after EL by BL. Got it? And now from equation 2 we can replace AE by 2BC, right? If we replace AE by 2BC means this will be replaced by 2BC, and this BC will be cancel out, and there only remaining the 2. If we multiply 2 from this side BL, then we will get that EL is 2 times of BL, right? EL is equal to 2 times of BL, which we have to prove that already. Thank you.